In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Beehiiv support so you can get the help you need as efficiently as possible. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or have questions about using the platform, reaching out to support can often be the quickest way to get back on track. Let's go through the process step by step so that you'll know exactly how to contact them. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Beehiiv website. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Beehiiv has to offer, including their support options. Now that you're on the site, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign into your account. You'll notice several options for logging in. Select sign in with Google if you have your Beehiiv account tied to your Google credentials. This simplifies the process and lets you access your account with just a few clicks. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the platform's main dashboard. Next, you need to navigate to the Help section. This is where all support-related resources are located. You can usually find a link or button labeled Help on the dashboard itself, or within a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Help section, you'll see a link or tab named Support Squad. This is where you can access direct support services. Click on it to enter the Support Center. In the support squad area, you'll come across the option to create a support ticket, which is essential for getting in touch with the support team. Look for the create ticket button and click on it. This will take you to a form where you'll provide details about your issue. Start by typing in the reason for reaching out. Be specific so the support team can quickly understand what you need help with. After that, fill in the subject field with a brief summary of your issue, just a few words to convey the general topic. Following that, there's the description box. Here you'll want to go into more detail about your problem, including any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. If necessary, you can also attach relevant files. This could be screenshots of an error message or documents illustrating the point of concern. Find and click on the option to add attachment and select the file you wish to upload from your device. Attachments can provide the support team with crucial context that might expedite the resolution of your issue. Before finalizing the ticket, you'll need to choose the priority level. This indicates how urgent your query is, helping the team prioritize their responses effectively. Choose the level that most accurately reflects your situation. Finally, once you've filled in all the relevant information and added attachments if needed, find and click the Create Support Ticket button to submit your request. Your ticket will then be sent to Beehiiv's support team, and you should receive a confirmation acknowledging receipt of your query. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure you're able to effectively contact Beehiiv support whenever you need assistance. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up questions or solutions from the support team, and stay patient as a detailed response might take a little time. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Beehiiv experience.